Okay, would you trust AI to trade stocks and even make credit card purchases for you? Well, the digital investing platform Robinhood is now allowing AI agents to do just that on behalf of its users. It's one of the first attempts to bring autonomous finance technology to ordinary investors. So I want to bring in Yahoo Finance senior reporter Brooke DiPalma. Brooke, great to be with you. How is this going to work, and how much control is someone giving up to do this?
Right. Well, essentially, you can give up as much control as you want. You could say these AI agents make those purchases and do those trades, or you can manually approve those purchases. You could preview the trades before this AI agent then goes through and makes that trade for you. Now, for trading specifically, the company has said that you can choose to connect these AI agents, and you can also provide different scenarios. Like, are you an active investor, investing daily, making trades daily? Or are you maybe a long-term investor? You're thinking about retirement? Or are you trying to get in on the hype right now around AI and making more thematic investments around AI or semiconductors? So that's sort of the choices that you have laid out. Now, as far as those credit card purchases go, the company says that this is only available right now for those Robinhood Gold Card members. They also said, they give this example, like if you have your eye on a certain pair of sneakers and say they cost $300, you want them for that price point, you want them in a certain color, you want them in a certain size, you could then tell this AI agent for the credit card, go ahead and purchase it when you see that available size, color, and price online. But keep in mind, this might sound so futuristic. Robinhood really likes to get ahead. They like to have first mover advantage. They were one of the first to introduce prediction markets back in 2025. And many analysts on the street right now are super bullish on the fact that now they're making this sort of move, especially in this era where people, Americans, are using AI agents more so than ever, really.
So how does someone make sure the AI agent doesn't go rogue and spend too much money or make a bad trade? Are there guardrails here?
Right. Well, Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev definitely getting some questions on this as well. Right now, what they're essentially saying is that this AI trading portfolio, that this virtual credit card is completely separate from your already existing account. So for that agentic trading right now, keep in mind, it is still in beta testing. And right now, investors can only use it for equity trading. So they can only trade stocks with this AI agent. Eventually, the company said they could go into crypto, event contracts, and so on. And for that credit card, they said that this is a virtual credit card completely separate from your existing gold card. And it won't necessarily get private info like the number of the card and so on. But definitely this comes, some questions about what exactly this means for Robinhood moving forward. And like I said, with Vlad Tenev getting so many questions from people like you and me right now, he said that they're going to listen to the customer closely and add more guardrails if the customer feels like they need them.
Speaking of AI, Brooke, Anthropic announcing it will be releasing its Mythos AI model to the public after the company initially said it was just too dangerous to do that. What can you tell us?
This shows that AI models are coming out fast and furious. They want more and more innovation. And right now, what we're hearing is Anthropic is really trying to compete with OpenAI and Google Gemini. And so this announcement that they're releasing Mythos class models, so not necessarily that Mythos model that everyone is hyper concerned over right now, but Mythos class models, so stronger AI capabilities, that was part of a larger announcement that they made today about the launch of Claude Opus 4.8. So a new, stronger AI flagship model from Anthropic. But what I can tell you, and what I'm hearing from so many different sources, is that this sort of technology allows or exposes software vulnerabilities faster than any human hacker can, and at a scale that is sort of completely not understandable for the human mind. And so that's the concern there. It seems like they're going to launch stronger and stronger AI models, but not necessarily the one that so many government officials like Kevin Hassett has raised the red flag for. He has went on to say that they're going to test ins and outs, turn every right and left corner before essentially allowing those Mythos capabilities to be allowed to the public. Right now, my sources are also telling me that super strong AI model is only available to select banks and tech firms as of now. It seems like that's going to be the case, especially in the coming weeks as we do get those Mythos class models. And what I also will tell you is that, like I said, this comes at a time where they are competing with OpenAI, not only for their models, their AI models that they're putting out, but also how they're going to compete in the public markets. And on top of this announcement from Anthropic today, we also got a fundraising round, and now that brings the valuation of Anthropic to above $900 billion, and OpenAI's latest valuation is only above 800. And so it really is a competition, not only about these AI models, but also fundraising for eventually to go into the public markets.
Brooke DiPalma, thanks so much.